Hi, my name's Deborah, and I'm the Community Health Nutrition Educator working with the Northwest Bronx Food Justice Project. Community fridges have been popping up across the 5 boroughs in an effort to fight food insecurity, reduce waste, and also to unite neighbors. This community fridge is one of 2 located in the Bronx, and the location of this one is 242nd Street near the 1 train, actually the last stop on the 1 train. And as you can see here, there's a beautiful waiting area for folks who might be waiting online. The community free food fridge is not only in the Bronx, but they are in other locations across New York City. Harlem, Astoria, Bushwick, Bed-Stuy, Crown Heights, just to name a few. And another location, as I had mentioned earlier, is located here in Kingsbridge in the Bronx. The refrigerators can be accessed 24/7 and is an anonymous resource to community members that are in need. They are built around community trust and understanding that people will take what they need and leave what they don't. And as you can see here, there's shelf-stable food that's also available, including water, chips, and canned goods. There's even community members dropping off food, which is pretty amazing. As you can see here, we have some scallions that we're dropping off, and the refrigerator is jam-packed with lots of produce. Here we're dropping off some radish as well, and some red onions. And so the idea behind this food fridge is that no one should go hungry. Food justice just really reminds us that everyone should have access to food. And so if you see a food fridge in your area, please feel free to drop off. And if you need some food, don't hesitate to stop and grab some. Deborah Johnson for the Northwest Bronx Food Justice Project.